What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen. I'm not in the kitchen though, but welcome back to my channel, How to Cook. And I'm out here on these Georgia Street doing last minute shopping. First of all, happy blessed Monday. I guess it is. Yeah, today is Monday. So happy Monday, you guys. I hope you guys are doing well, blessed, amazing, and fabulous. Like you should, okay? My figure said, let me just go ahead and do this right as of right now because I'm not home. I'm actually at the mall in the parking lot, and I'm literally starving right now. I only had cereal this morning. That was it. So I had to stop in the food court to grab something before I even attempt to go out on the street. That's how hungry I am. All right, so the meal that I purchased was $11.33. It was $10.49 with taxes. $11.43. I did get some, what do you call it, orange chicken, and I guess she said was some kind of a barbecue flavored chicken, which I did try it. I tasted it and it was pretty good. The plate is literally very small. That is what it looks like. This plate them get extra small. Look there. Okay, really small. But this was $11.33. So because me hungry, them said beggars not have no choice. All right, so y'all make sure that you guys are liking, share, and I hope you guys are enjoying the Vlogmas, okay? Because mama, okay, mama mia, okay? Let me bring this down just a little bit. But yeah, y'all, so how are you guys doing? I hope you guys, are not late on your shopping like I am. I'm like literally late. I'm putting some sweet and sour sauce on it. Sweet and sour sauce. All right, let's get into a prayer. Heavenly Father, please protect me and guide me from anything that may come out of this meal to hurt my body or harm my body in any kind of way, okay? Take away anything that is not supposed to go in my belly that's going to cause some problems. I also want to ask you to provide for those that don't even have this meal. Trust me today. In the name of God, the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, amen. So, like I said, y'all, I'm having, what do you call this? I don't know what they call it. Me, but just call it pasta. But it is something. It is something, so. It's all right. It's a little bit overcooked, though. It's a little bit overcooked. It's a lot overcooked. So yeah, y'all, I just figured let me just go ahead and do something right here before I even get home, because I know once I get in the house, I'm not able to do anything. Yeah, this is overcooked. But I didn't want to get any rice. They did have some fried rice or something, but I didn't want to do the rice because I had rice yesterday for dinner. Sunday. You guys saw that. Apart from it being overcooked, it does have a little flavor to it though. And this is the chicken. It does have a kind of a barbecue. It does have a kind of a barbecue flavor to it. It's very tender though. You could taste the barbecue, like the grill. Yeah, this is good. That's good. And I did order the what do you call this again? orange chicken. I'm not really liking the orange chicken. For the orange chicken, I can taste the flour more than the chicken. That's the flour. But honey, beggars ain't no choosers. Your girl is hungry. The only thing I had today was cereal. Y'all, let me tell you something. My glasses, because I know somebody's going to ask me in the comment. My glasses is not a night for a sunshade type thing. It looks like it though. But my glasses is actually reading glasses. I'm saying that because anytime I have my glasses at night time, because it is night now. You know, night come down really quick. It's still early, but it's night. Whenever I wear this, especially on this channel, you guys tend to feel like I'm wearing the shades at night, but I'm actually wearing my reading glasses at night. Night vision, you guys. I can actually see everything much clearer with these glasses than I do my regular glasses. It fools people all the time. I'll carry this one. Husband is gonna eat it. And the funny thing about it, you guys, I did cook. I made curry chicken before I actually left out the house. Because I kind of figured that my little excavate right now was going to take more time than I wanted to take. People out there like crazy. Shopping. Every single place. I went into Ross. And the crowd that was in Ross in the line, I just put back the stuff and walked out. I was going to do Ross. I was like, no, see ya. Whatever I had in my cart, I left the cart right where it was and walked out the store. So thank God I cooked. I didn't have to cook rice or nothing because I already have that from yesterday dinner, rice and peas. But I had to make some meat kind to go with the rice. So he could eat that. But even though I know say my average home, I couldn't wait. I felt like I was about to pass out. Let me turn up. I can't turn up the light, y'all. Oh shit. Hold on, let me start up my car. That's the only way the light is going to come back on. My car. My car saved my battery. Okay? My car be like, you're going to have no battery to get home, honey, so we're going to shut this thing down. So that's what that was. Technology, right? That chicken is good. But now I feel lower now. the orange chicken. And I feel I want it. And then on top of that, she was trying to give me a whole bunch of gravy. I was like, give me meat instead of gravy, okay? Let's carry on this. Eat my curry chicken and my reach home. That's that. I'm gonna wrap this up really good because I don't want this to spill it in my can. I got ginger ale. I didn't have to buy anything to drink because I always walk around with this. That's good too. Ooh, thank you, Father. Take off the hungry. It backs off the hungry. Alright, y'all, let me back out of this place here. Because when I tell you it's crazy, let me use my camera. Because they will try to hit you, you know what I mean? Yeah, y'all, but yeah. Vlogmas is almost over. Vlogmas is almost over, you guys. I must say though, I'm super proud of myself doing this Vlogmas thing. Like literally. Excuse me. People out here, my God. I'm so super proud of myself. I'm turning on some heat because it's cold out here. I'm super proud of myself for doing Vlogmas. I had no idea that I would have been able to accomplish it. I didn't know that I could do it, y'all. Because it had gotten to the point where uploading one video for a week started to become very painless for me. Very painless. Much as doing a video every day for a whole 4 weeks. That's crazy. But y'all, I did it. Juliana, did it. Oops, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm super proud of myself, you guys. Like literally proud of myself. Because I had no idea it was in me to do a video every day on how to cook. But I did it. I did it, y'all. And then on top of that, I was like, Vlogmas is vlogging, but I was like putting those cooking recipes out there too. So my plan is let's just say this. Because I'm so super proud of myself, and because now I know I could get back in the mojo of things. Even though I have so much going on, y'all, it's not like before when we only have to juggle just this channel alone. I have a lot of other things that I'm doing in between also. So it is definitely time consuming. And I don't be cooking for a whole lot anymore. It's just me a hobby. So, but I figured no matter what I'm doing, I literally can just go ahead and put it on camera. Or anything that's food related. Somebody will watch it. Somebody will watch it. So that's what my plan is. So moving forward, I'm definitely going to be uploading 3 videos every single week, because if we can't upload a video every day for 7 days, we can't upload 3 videos every single week. I just have to figure out why this man is driving right on my bumper. I just have to figure out the days when I'm going to drop them. I don't know if I need to do like one on Sunday, which is like a Sunday reset. I've been thinking about start doing Sunday reset. And then I could probably do like a cooking recipe during the week. And then I could probably do anything food related. You know what I'm saying? Maybe 2 recipes. I could probably do 2 recipes during the week and do a Sunday reset. And that includes everything. The Sunday reset can include everything. Everything that I've been doing for the whole week. What do you guys think? But definitely 3 videos every single week. No matter what. Even if I have to house vlog. And let me tell you something. The hardest part of doing this Vlogmas is winter, you guys. So you know it's cold outside. It's like literally cold outside. And me not like the cold breeze on my body. Right now I'm talking to you guys. My fingers are literally cold. Okay? And so I'm doing it. I'm vlogging. I'm going outside. I'm vlogging them something that I'll be doing the damn do. I'll be doing the do. So that tells me I know I could find content for you guys 3 times a week. Okay? Y'all, there's too much traffic. I'm going to turn y'all around until you can see all this traffic. Look at that. This is all traffic. Alright, that's all traffic, you guys. Oh my goodness. People out here. People is out here. People is out here, you guys. They are out here. But yeah, 3 videos every single week. That's what's up. That is what's up. 3 videos every week. I could do that. I could definitely do that. Traffic. Oh my God. One thing about Georgia, you know, if y'all is planning to move down here, just make sure y'all know that traffic down here, no normal. Traffic. I have to give them props though. Their highway is very, very smooth. You don't have to worry about getting your car wheel alignment. The highways is busting really good. They have a lot of lanes and they're making them wider on most of the highways right now. Extend them out because so much people is moving down here and the traffic is getting worse and worse. So they're widening the highway right now as we speak. Not only are they widening it, but they're putting overhead ones too. Big changes in Georgia. Big, huge, massive changes is happening down here as I presently speak. So y'all moving down here. Houses are beautiful. You'll definitely get a job because they have a lot of job here. Lots of jobs in Georgia, y'all. Okay? There's a lot of jobs down here. Trust me when I tell you. Airport is always hiring. The airport, you guys, is always hiring. Always. And everywhere you go, you see a sign. Help wanted. Hiring. Help wanted. Hiring. If you ever see their license, you're definitely gonna get a job. Oh my goodness, no, this is off the chain. The traffic, y'all, is trafficking right now. But yeah, if you want to move here, give it a try because I guarantee you're gonna find you a nice house or a nice apartment. The prices did go up on the houses, and the prices did go up on the apartments. So like everywhere else. But yeah, I think you'll still get a deal down here with the apartments though. For real. It's I love it. I love it. Yeah. They have some nice ass apartments. Yeah. And like I said, jobs are here. School is there if you want to go back to school or whatever. They're into school, okay? And colored people live very good here in Georgia. Big houses and big jobs, top jobs, lawyers and doctors and all of that stuff. Colored folks, okay? So if you're tired of where you're living, you can move to Georgia, but just know that they have some really shady people down here, man. Okay? The first thing they're going to ask you, what do you do for a living? Because they're going to size you up immediately. They're going to ask you how many followers you got on the internet. That's how Georgia run. If you ain't got followers, ain't nobody want to hang with you. Okay, you got to have some followers. You're going to have some kind of something that they could ask you to do for them. And if they feel like they can't get what they want out of you, they're going to be hasta la vista. As long as you can't get past that, you'll be all right. Okay? As long as you could get past that, you'll be okay. I was talking about that. Was it last night or one of them? Recently, I was talking about that on the channel. I don't know if it was this one or if it was Life is Juliana. But my daughter and I, we was talking about the shadiness down here. Now, don't get me wrong. You have shady people everywhere. I used to live in Connecticut and I used to live in New York. New York girls is all about how them look. You know what I'm saying? Them all about them clothes and so small apartment, look good gal. Connecticut, everybody watch everybody private parts. Georgia, it's all about who you know down here. Okay? It's all about who you know, baby. That's a Georgia run. Contacts, everybody's in it and in it to win it, and they have a lot of con artists down here, you guys. So, and the con artists, they dress up in a suit, so you can't even tell. They good at what they do, the conning. Okay, I've been conned since I've been living down here. Ripped off. But as long as you can't get past that, you know, sometimes even friendships get shady or whatever. Just act funny. I don't know. But people just be acting shady, man. Shady, but I just can't do the shades because I'm too grown for the shades. I cannot. It takes a lot of energy to deal with that shady shit. But, yeah. So yeah, I'm not going to tell nobody not to move to Georgia. If people like, oh, don't move to Georgia, I'm not going to tell nobody to move to Georgia because I know I did. And Georgia is a nice place to live. It is. You know what I mean? You just have to mind the business also because everybody's strapped. Everybody got a G-U-N. Everybody. And when I say everybody, I mean everybody. Let me come over. Let me get over here, okay? Because there's a cop on the side shoulder. Alright, y'all. I am going to end this vlog here. I'm going to end this vlog here, you guys. Alright, this Vlogmas thing. Couldn't get to bring any cooking today. Today was not the day for that. Even though I cook some curry chicken. No, obviously I cook curry chicken today. So, I had to go do last minute shopping, you guys. So, this is Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas, you guys. I don't know. I think I have a few more days left of Vlogmas. It's almost done. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up before you leave, because you simply might have forgotten to do so when you first come on in. Y'all, also, my goodies. Why are you all not going over and subscribe to the channel Life is Juliana? Why are you not going over there? Somebody commented and said I'm doing a lot of things on different platforms more than I am doing here. I was always doing a lot of things on this platform, but sometimes I have to take a mental break from this platform because people are too judgmental. They're always complaining about something. They're complaining about the food. They're complaining about your nail. They're complaining about your accident. They stay complaining. So sometimes I have to, not sometimes, all the time, I have to protect my mental health. So I have to go hasta la vista. Deuces. My mental health, honey, I don't know about you guys, but my mental health is critical, okay? My mental health is critical. So I have to make sure that my mental health stay where it needs to be. I ain't getting no younger, you guys. I'm getting older. Everything falls apart with age. So I have to protect my shit. Okay? I have to make sure that I'm good. What's going on here? I have to make sure that I'm good. I'm straight. I need to get over here because these people right here is driving some kind of way. Yeah, you guys, I have to protect my mental health. So there's nothing wrong with taking some break from here. Okay? There's nothing wrong with doing that. Mental health is worth more than a couple of dollars. Believe me when I tell you. It's worth to make sure that your mental health is okay. You can't worry about money. You can't. Because you're going to be dead and gone and that money going to still be there. So I have to leave sometime. When people start acting crazy, I have to get off for a minute and just chill out and just find something else to do. I'm not saying that you don't have judgmental people on the other platforms or in the damn world. There's always going to be judgmental people. But I just feel sometimes like I don't go appreciated here. That's why. Doing cooking videos, it takes a lot. It takes a lot. You have to buy the food. The food is so damn expensive, you guys. I don't even like to go to the supermarket anymore because food expensive. Oxtail and them something that you guys be asking me to cook snapper and those expensive food. Those foods are expensive. Okay? And so, by the time I have to go find the damn money to go buy the food and cook it, drag the camera from here to there to get a good angle, because trust me, editing is everything. And by the time I edit the video and put it up, some of you guys watch a video, don't even thumbs it up. So the videos just go flat, the channels go flat, every goddamn, and my energy and my time goes flat. So it kind of breaks my spirits. And I'm not even gonna lie on the front. It kills my vibes, man. You know what I mean? It kills my vibes. So sometimes I have to take a break. When all that starts to go all the way left, I have to take a break and preserve my mental health, give myself a little bit of self-love, and give my husband a little more attention, because editing, sometimes I be up 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning editing a video. Can't even wave to my husband. I'm always on my phone or on the computer editing a video. So I have to save my marriage too. You know what I'm saying? Husband know that I work from home, but sometimes it takes up a lot of time. So that's why I be going hasta la vista. You know what I mean? But I love to cook. I always love to cook, and I'm always going to be cooking on here. You know, until my fingers fall out. Well, no, my fingers not gonna fall out, but until I feel like I can't do it anymore. You know, and it's got to have something different for me. But I'm always going to be uploading on here. You know, I had lost my mojo, like I said, but with the Vlogmas that I'm doing, it tells me that I can do it. It reassures me that I can do it. So I'm going to be uploading again. I have 3 videos every single week. This is what we're going to do on here, okay? So just make sure that when I do phone apart, thumbs up, share it on the social media, and all them something. Because when y'all do that, trust me, YouTube let me know what my supporters are doing. They do. So with that being said, you guys, I'm going to pay attention on this road, because, baby, the wilders are wilding. The wilders are wilding. Okay. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I could do like something, a cooking video really quick. I don't know. Maybe not, because I have to cook again for Christmas Day. We'll see. We'll see. But we'll do something. No matter what it is, your girl is going to bring a video tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be safe, be blessed. And with that being said, tell a friend for tell a friend. Bring them come goodie and send them come. I'm waiting. And when I get done doing all of that, tell me, what do you want to see me I cook next in my kitchen? And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.